As we begin our first discussion this week, I want to give you a little direction. Make sure you read discussion postings in the Cyber Cafe, which will go over the requirements. But each week, you are to respond to one of my questions that are posted, which we'll go over in a couple minutes, and then two classmates. The response to my question should be at least 400 words, and then the two responses to classmates should be at least 125 words each. The discussion will be conducted throughout the week, ending on Sunday evening. The response to my questions is due no later than Thursday. To be eligible for maximum credit, it must be received by Wednesday. That way we have more time to respond to each other, to think about each other's posts and so forth. Again, your response should be 400 words. The questions that I have are broad questions and will take more than 400 words. And it's fine just to take a little piece of the question and respond to that. And as the class collectively responds, we'll thoroughly discuss the questions, which will help us prepare for the exams down the road. Each week we'll be covering approximately 3 chapters. It won't always be this way, but I usually ask one question per chapter. Make sure you read the textbook post in the Cyber Cafe also. But what I want to do here is just briefly read the questions for the first week and then give you a little bit of direction on how to go about them. And again, don't try to take on too much, 400 words at least. Pick a specific part of the question, and that way you can go into a little more detail and be more interesting and informative for everyone. So pick one of the following and discuss in at least 400 words. And so from chapter 1, discuss the distinctiveness of California. We have a very varied climate, geography, and people. And so this is what you're going to be focusing on in that question. What's unique about California? What makes California, California? Number 2, and this is from chapter 2, examine one or two California Native American tribes. Were they all pretty similar? Why or why not? We'll be looking at these Native American tribes before the Spanish come and others, and then after, and we'll see the impact that has on them. And then from chapter 3, evaluate early European exploration of California, any successes or hardships. As you're going to see, we're going to be talking about several different groups of Europeans and the Americans who are going to come to California, but initially it's going to be the Spanish. And the focus here is going to be the exploration along the western coast of California. And so who came, why did they come, were they successful, were they not, and why or why not? So be sure to keep up and let me know if you have any questions.